Good morning traders and welcome to this new video for the channel. My name is Lester and today I have this trading session using the best strategy for binary options. I'm gonna teach you how to use and how to trade step by step, and wish me good luck because we are on a trade live. So let's roll with this video. Okay guys, let's go to trying to find a good opportunities with this strategy. Just like I mentioned before, this trade is created only for binary options and the rule is simple. Crossing the moving average, for example here, blue and yellow, and the red line, the red moving average is below of these two. But can be different. For example here, the red line is above, so we enter for a call. In this case, we enter for a put. Simple like that. I'm gonna explain how to configure your indicators. We are going to use 3 moving average. First one is going to be period 14 color yellow. See it? Right. And the second line is going to be 26 period 26 color red. The third line is period 6 color blue. And the 4 indicator is going to be MACD descending 44. So I'm waiting, crossing the moving average, and the red line is below for telling me the next candle is going to be for a put. And crossing here, crossing just a little bit actually, So I decided to enter here and was in the money, or looks in the money for now for me. And and lose this one. This one was a good, but the example is the same. Crossing the moving average, the yellow moving average, the blue line crossing the yellow, and the red line is above, and we enter. We see here too, crossing the MACD, we enter for 2 minutes for a call. Another example. What type of market we need to avoid to this strategy? Well, this type of market. See it? I like it trade with a good trend, follow a good trend. So we have this one was in the money, but we need to try to find another, maybe have another opportunity. Oh, this one was a good, but I don't know, have a little reverse. Come on, if we have it, I enter, but I think past the opportunity. So this card never crossed it, so maybe continue with the uptrend or this up signal. So my recommendation is try to find or follow a good trend. For example, it's coming the downtrend and you receive a signal for a put, that signal definitely is a good one. And another example is you see the uptrend and coming a good signal for a call is a good signal too. So waiting for that opportunities, avoid the volatile market. I showed you here what's one a good volatile market. This one was out of the money. Avoid a volatile market. I see a volatile. I don't know where, but maybe here. Doesn't move this. Volatile market. We're trying to avoid this type of market. Don't have a good pattern to follow. So I prefer, for example, this one. This one was a dip in the money. This one looks out of the money. Out of the money too. This is not applicable in the money. In the money. It is not applicable in the money. And this one, the last one was in the money. This one is dip out of the money. So with this strategy, I don't want to lie to you and say it's 100% effective, because it's not the truth. Okay, but definitely you can trade, I don't know, 10 trades per day. You're gonna have 2 or 3 out of the money. That means you're gonna earn in 7 in the money. You're gonna have 7 in the money. Just try to follow and respect the rules of this strategy. This strategy is telling me enter for the next kind of moment they cross the moving average and the MACD. So we waiting and enter for 2 minutes. avoided the triple news, so we are gonna avoid the triple news. My recommendation is don't trade Mondays and Fridays because we have a volatile market. So we receive all the news of the weekend, everything happened on the weekend, we receive the Mondays and Fridays, so it's complicated trade for this strategy on these days. So try to put in practice this strategy. Many traders like this strategy because it's fast, it's writable, and they are making money with this. So what you have to do, create your demo account. The best brokers for me is IQ Option and Pocket Option. Why? Because they have 2 minutes time frames to all the currency pairs. Well, Pocket Option have to all the currency pairs, and with IQ Options almost all the currency pairs. It's gonna depend the time frame, the time zone you live. So with that, with this strategy, you can start to use it in practice with your demo account. I don't know, practice 1 hour, and eventually you're gonna become a good expert with this strategy. So we don't have too much signals right now, but I hope this video like it. This is a short video, a short tutorial with this strategy, the best binary option strategy for this new year. See you in the next week.